Welcome back, and the guys started out the week by laying up the molds for these lower door skins. So this is right now, this was Monday morning, and with already two of the layers of top coat on there, and here they're laying the first layer of fiberglass on there. And again, as with all of our molds that are structural like this, it's a layer of fiberglass and then two light layers of carbon fiber, and then the following day usually 4 layers of heavy carbon fiber. And here they put the peel ply on, so the next step would be the next day, which was today, Tuesday, to finish that off with the 4 layers of heavy carbon fiber. So nothing really tricky about those ones, fairly simple really, but nice to get those done. Just another step in finishing all the stuff for the doors. And here's the plug for one of the upper door skins, getting a little bit further along here. Just another guide coat on there, ready for the next round of sanding. And we've actually decided to knock off the armrests from the doors here, so we can use sort of replaceable ones and resizable and repositioning ones later on. So that meant a little bit more work back on the mill. And here's the other one. You can see we just basically cut off the armrest there and expose the foam, and then of course we had to reseal it and then add more putty and then remill it all. And there's the 2 armrests there. Don't think we'll have a use for those, but basically it's going to help us out in the long run doing this. And here's one of the window frame plugs that's getting a little bit further along with sanding. And there's the other one, again with a guide coat and just requiring some more sanding there to move it to the next stage. And now we're on to this morning, and the guys were getting all set up to put the 4 layers of heavy carbon on these lower door skin molds. So here you can see they've already got a couple of layers down, and starting on the next one over there. So basically the 4 guys were working on that, and didn't take them long to sort of get through all that, and they had it all done by lunchtime. So that's just another set of molds out the way, although they still need the braces on there, and you'll see in a little bit I cut those on the mill today. And here's that other door frame back on the mill, and getting a few little adjustments made where we were a little bit light on putty. Often where there's a sharp edge like you see there's not enough putty on the first go round, so we just butter up and then run through the mill again, just that one little area. And here are these door skins now, the molds for the door skins, and peel ply around the edge where we're going to be bonding the braces for those to stop them from flexing, but also to give us a nice even platform for when we're laying it up. And this is something completely different. This is all the bits and pieces for the air conditioning system that we're going to sort of piece together. And this all came out of an Audi A6 from our friends across the way at Euroholics. They were parting out an A6 all road, and we got all this from them. So now the job is to try and figure out which bits and pieces we can use and which we'll have to sort of fabricate ourselves to get the AC system working. So that's another little side project. And here's the right hand side door frame again, and made a little bit more progress here. And so this is just remilling the hinge bosses there, just to give them a better finish, because the first go around we had a bit of a problem running with the longer bit. We were getting a bit of chattering, which was making the finish not quite as good as it could be. And here's the other one. The guys are already back on sanding this, so there's with the adjustment to where the armrest was, and just the areas that need some extra sanding, just with some guide coat on there. And there's the other one off the mill now, so that's all milled, and now it needs just some extra hand sanding before they can get primed. And more sanding going on with these window frame plugs, so they're actually in wet sanding now, so getting closer to being ready for waxing. And there's the upper door skin there for I'm not sure if that's the right or left, but that one's getting wet sanded. And as I said before, here's the foam. I cut this out late this evening, 4 pieces for each side, and you'll see later in the week we'll be bonding those right onto the frames there. And you can see Jeff already took the peel ply off there, and you can really see the difference there. So that's where there's no peel ply, and this is where the peel ply was. And of course, once you pull the peel ply off, it gives you a nice surface that you can bond to again. But the wet look is not ready to be bonded to. So anyway, that's our update for this first half of this week. Thanks for watching.